Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day in my life. So today I have some fun things I'm gonna do and take you guys along with. Like this morning, I'm gonna hop in the shower, exfoliate and like shave, and I'm going to fake tan, self tan this morning. And then I'm also gonna make some banana bread this morning, and I need to fix my LED lights. I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour because it's pretty much done in here. Yeah, I might work out today. I'm just gonna take you guys through the whole day, and it's gonna be really fun because I have some things to do. And yeah, so let's just get into it. I have to pee really bad, so I'm gonna get out of bed. Okay, let's do it. See, I'm very pale at the moment. I think a fake tan will be great, so let's do that. I'm gonna pee first. I want is tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Okay, so I just shaved and exfoliated my skin, legs, arms, all of that. So this is like the before. I'm obviously not gonna show you fake tan, like myself fake tanning, but this is like the before. My legs. Okay, so I'm gonna fake tan. I'm using this. I just got it in the mail yesterday. This Tanologist self tanner is what I'm using. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah. Okay, so I just finished fake tanning and I just put some like loose clothes on. And I'm like, ugh, right now because I hate that it feels like I hate just like a residue on my skin, like lotion, all of that just like feels gross to me. So my skin feels gross right now, but it's okay. Hopefully I come out with a good tan. Hopefully I did it nice and even and it's not gonna be splotchy at all. We'll see, I guess. So I'm making banana bread this morning. I'm really excited because banana bread's so good. And I have everything like laid out, prepared here. Hold on, let me like clean up a little bit. There's some stuff like the tanning mitt wrappers just hanging out on the counter. And just take the trash out. So here's all of my like ingredients. Well, not all of them, but like the ones I had to stay out of night. These are some black bananas, 2 room temperature eggs, and then room temperature butter. So yeah, I have to text my mom though, 'cause she has the full recipe, not me. Construction, man. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna fill this cup up. I got from Starbucks yesterday, just a water yesterday, but I'm gonna reuse it and fill it up with water again so that I can have some good refreshment because I need to drink more water like so badly. I don't drink enough at all. Is it just me, or does anyone else like drink water easier if it's through a straw? Like I will drink my water so much faster with like no effort if I have a straw. But that might just be me. So while I wait for my mom to text me back with the recipe for the banana bread, I'm gonna change out my phone case. I've had this one on for a while. It's a Case 5 photo grade case. I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. But I think it's time for a change, so I'm gonna switch it out. I have a bunch of different Case 5 phone cases to show you guys. I have 4 here. I have this one. It's literally so like simplistic. It has my name right there engraved very faintly. It's so cute, so like simple, matches my aesthetic very perfectly. This one's so cool for the summer. It's like waves, so cute. This one's peaches, again, really cute for the summertime. And then like this one's just clear, and then it has my name in cursive right here, Olivia. So cute. These are a mixture of the Impact and Ultra Impact phone cases. Really protective and really cute at the same time. Case 5 has so many designs and colors, and you can customize your cases, so there's so many options for you guys. You should definitely go check them out. Not only are they cute, they're also protective, but they're also slim, so that you're not carrying around a bulky phone case just to protect your phone. These are nice and slim and protective. So that's really important to me because I drop my phone all the time. but this will protect it. I'm gonna put this one on my phone right now because how cute, it has my name. And with like my black phone, I think it looks so good. This case specifically is an ultra impact case, which is really, really protective. You can see these little bumpers for when it falls, it's gonna bounce off and not break your phone. Their impact cases are engineered with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech, and they're drop test approved from about 6.5 feet. No joke, I will show you guys right now. So here's my phone with this super adorable custom case. Here it is, and ready? And it is totally fine. It is totally drop test approved by me. So not only do they protect your phone, they protect you as well, because Casetify has an antimicrobial protectant on it that kills 99.9% of germs on your phone. And lastly, if you're wondering, they are partially made of recycled plastic, so you can feel good about having your Casetify phone case. So if you guys want a protective phone case, but still a really, really cute phone case like this monogram one, or these 2 little patterned ones that are super great for the summertime coming up, or this compostable one that's super chic and aesthetically pleasing, definitely go check out Casetify. They protect my phone along with making it so cute for mirror selfies or just for people to see, and you can match them to your outfits, and it's really, really fun. Definitely go check them out. Just go to casetify.com/Messler for 20% off. I'll have all the information in the description box along with on the screen. My mom sent me the recipe. It popped up on my phone while I was talking about Casetify. So I'm gonna start baking some bread. That was like impossible to grab with one hand. Oh my goodness. Okay, so before I get into making the bread, I'm gonna make some coffee just because what would be a morning without coffee, you know? Okay, I'm putting you on the best coffee recipe ever right now. It's kind of the same as it's always been for a while. Well, not always, but for a while now, but I'm just gonna go in depth and show you what I do. Caramel, do y'all say caramel or caramel? Caramel, caramel? I say caramel, I think. But I just go around the rim a little bit. Just like that. Wonderful, great, love to see it. French vanilla, creamy syrup. Like that's enough, just that much. About just to fill like just the bottom of the glass a little bit. You know? Fill this up with ice to like here. Almond milk, this is just vanilla milk. And I'm gonna put it in my frother. This little thing that comes with my Nespresso. It came with it. Or you could buy it separately. Or you could just use one of these things in a cup. This is just, I don't want to make another glass dirty, so put like that much in there. Just like that. 1 shot of espresso, and I use this size glass. If I use a bigger cup, I'll use 2, just like whole glasses. The best coffee literally ever. Wow, that's so good. It's like creamy, rich, it's sweet, but not too sweet. Still tastes like coffee, creamy, amazing, wonderful.
I never used to know till I knew your heart didn't really go.
Now I'm going to put them into muffin little pan because I want to make muffins.
Found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. If I ever lose you now.
Okay, now we have to clean up. Fun. Nah. I'm gonna clean up and then I'll update you guys because you don't want to see me clean up. Kitchen is now pretty much cleaned up, so I'm gonna go make my bed because I didn't do that this morning. Clearly. I'm gonna do that really quickly now just to have it done and made because I like making my bed.
We're made from loving you.
Okay. Now that my bed's made, I figured I'd show you what I've done. So the side tables I'll tell you where everything from. So my bedding is from Dillard's, I believe. These 2 pillows are from HomeGoods. This light is from Amazon. My bed frame is from IKEA. These 2 nightstands are from Amazon. That little plant guy's from Target on clearance. The 2 little chargers are from Target. That's from HomeGoods. The lamp is from Target. That's not even supposed to be there. Then I just added these curtains. These curtains are 4 panels from HomeGoods. My little vanity is from Wayfair. The whole thing's from Wayfair. This little mirror is from HomeGoods. This little like makeup container is from HomeGoods. This dresser is from IKEA. It matches the bed. TV. This little rug is from HomeGoods, and that is my room. I hope you guys got something from that. I really love the curtains. I think it made it so cozy in here. So yeah, I need to clean up the bathroom. It's a mess from my fake tanning. So let's do that really quickly. Bathroom is much cleaner now. Okay, I'm gonna drink my coffee and just hang out and watch YouTube videos now. So I'll see you guys when my boyfriend gets home, because we might go down to the pool and hang out. So I'll take you guys along for that if we do that. But yeah, for now I don't have much going on. So I'm just watching YouTube and I'm about to edit a little bit maybe. So yeah. You guys, oh, I'm out of focus, but it smells so good. I'm starting to smell it. I'm gonna show you through the little glass. Can you see it even? It smells so good. Here, I'll open it for like a second just to show you. Oh, the smell just flushed out. It smells so good. I'm so excited. This is gonna be great. I'm out of focus. It smells so good. Is my tan tanning me yet? I feel like I look the same. Gosh, it smells good. I'm so excited. Banana bread is so good. Do I look the same? Do I look a little bit tanner? I look the same. Okay, but that was all. I just want to tell you that it smelled really good in here. Oop, I'm fucking up the camera. Ooh. Ooh. Kind of overcooked them a little.